So many verbs that change their shape. Can I make a list?
Let's start with these. Make, made. Give, gave. Go, went. Buy, bought. Tell, told. Run, ran.
These verbs are like little transformers.
Some verbs don't follow the usual rule of adding ed for the past. They're called irregular verbs.
Hello, I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're trying to discover something fun, identify the irregular past tense and irregular verbs on a timeline.
Mama, what did you cook for lunch? It smells amazing.
Oh, I made your favorite, spinach rice and yogurt. I bought the fresh spinach this morning.
Wait, you said made, not maked? And gave, not gived? Some words are different when we talk about before.
Exactly. Like eat becomes ate. Remember how you ate 2 mangoes before lunch? Some verbs don't follow the usual rule of adding ed for the past. They're called irregular verbs.
Like. Go becomes went, not goed. Oops. I sure did. And you gave me juice too.
Yep. And I told you to wait for lunch, but you ran off with the mangoes.
So you didn't say buyed spinach either?
Nope, I bought it fresh from the market. And I told Haseeb to help carry the bags, but he ran off to water the plants.
So many verbs that change their shape. Can I make a list?
Let's start with these. Make, made. Give, gave. Go, went. Buy, bought. Tell, told. Run, ran.
These verbs are like little transformers. Big brother Haseeb, what did you do in the morning?
Well, I woke up early, took a walk, and drew this birdhouse plan.
Cool. So first you woke up, then took a walk, and later drew it?
Exactly. You just made a timeline with what I did.
Let's draw it. Morning equals woke up, after equals took a walk, now equals drawing a birdhouse.
Let's add yours too. You found a toy, then talked to Mama, now you're here. I went to Grandma's, saw the kittens, and wrote her a card.
Whoa! Are those from yesterday?
Yup.
First you went, then you saw, and then you wrote. Timeline again.
That's right.
Irregular past verbs and a timeline. We're getting good at this.
Excellent work, team. Now, let's see how much you remember with the final quiz. 1. What is the past tense of go? Options: A. Went. B. Going. The correct answer is A. Went. 2. Which sentence uses the correct past tense? Options: A. She run to the slide. B. She ran to the slide. The correct answer is B. She ran to the slide. 3. Choose the correct timeline. Events: ate breakfast, played in the park, drew a picture. Options: A. Drew, ate, played. B. Ate, played, drew. The correct answer is B. Ate, played, drew. 4. What is the past of write? Options: A. Wrote. B. Written. The correct answer is A. Wrote. 5. Which image shows he took a nap? Options: A. Boy napping. B. Boy playing. The correct answer is A. Boy napping. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll complete the verb with the ending that you hear and match the ed and ing sentences. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.